Hello friends, welcome. I am Arun Kumar and this is our channel Chemistry Crafters with Bonu. Today we are going to prepare 1 liter of natural floor cleaner. I have taken all the materials ready. These materials are all natural derivatives, 100% water soluble, 100% biodegradable and eco-friendly materials. Before getting into the making video, we'll discuss one more thing. Its cleaning performance is either equal to or better than Lysol. The manufacturing process is very simple. We can easily prepare it and we can use it for our home purpose, home usage. Now let us start the making process. First of all, I am charging RO water. In PDF procedure, I have given complete details, what materials, how much quantity, when to charge, all those things. Next, I am charging APG, Alkyl Polyglucoside. This is an excellent surfactant, of course naturally derived surfactant. Each and every time I am mixing properly. Next, I am charging lauryl glucoside. Next, I am charging dicyl glucoside. Both lauryl glucoside and dicyl glucosides are coming under the family of APG. Of course, all these three surfactants are non-ionic surfactants. Here, alkyl polyglucoside is primary surfactant. The remaining two surfactants we are using it as co-surfactants. Then I am charging cocoamidopropyl betaine, shortly CAPB. It is also coconut oil derivative. It is a kind of amphoteric surfactants having both positive and negative charges. Then I am adding plant glycerin. It is a moisturizing agent. It has many roles in a floor cleaner. It is a wetting agent and also giving some glossy, shining look over the floors. And it will give some lubrication effect during the mopping process. So we feel mopping process a little easy. Then I am adding essential oil. You can add any essential oil as per your choice, but less quantity, either 2 ml or maximum 4 ml. Here one thing I would like to discuss. So for now the medium is white color, more or less white color, but it depends upon the color of the fragrance, color of the essential oil. The medium has a chances to change. Then I am adding enzymes. Enzymes are playing a vital role in floor cleaner. We can add enzymes in liquid detergent, in dishwash gel, also including in floor cleaners. Enzymes will remove stubborn stains on the floor and also the mopping process will become easy. I mean, it will reduce the physical force during the mopping process. Here I have used detergent enzymes only. But we have the scope to choose the exact enzymes and we can optimize the exact quantity based on the floor cleaners. It is possible. Then I am adding sodium citrate. I have dissolved sodium citrate in water. Sodium citrate is a chelating agent. Only with the surfactants we cannot achieve superior cleaning, superior finishing. We need to add chelating agents. Next, I am adding citric acid. I have dissolved citric acid in water. Citric acid has many roles in floor cleaner. First of all, it is acid, so we can maintain the pH. For floor cleaner, we need to maintain pH within 5 to 6. So the role of citric acid is unavoidable. Moreover, it will remove the mineral deposits or soap scums on the floor. Because it is acid, citric acid, acids will do the role. More importantly, citric acid is a safe and ideal material in floor cleaners. Finally, we need to add preservatives. Now I am adding sodium benzoate. This is also natural derivative. It is a salt of benzoic acid. We know salt is natural material and benzoic acid is derived from berries. So sodium benzoate is derived from natural ingredients. Then I am adding potassium sorbate. Of course, this is also material derived from natural sources. Now let us discuss why I have added two different preservatives. First, I have added sodium benzoate. Sodium benzoate is okay for up to the pH of 4 or 4.5. But in our floor cleaner, we need to maintain the pH between 5 to 6, sometimes even 7 also possible. So, for within this range, sodium benzoate alone not sufficient. So, we are adding one more preservative, that is potassium sorbate. It is a very good preservative for up to the pH range of 9. Now the process is over. Let us allow to settle for 24 hours. Tomorrow we will monitor it. Now 24 hours over. There is no layer separation. It is homogeneous solution, homogeneous medium. I will transfer to it a glass beaker. This is the consistency of our floor cleaner. Let us check the pH. The pH is within 5 to 6. This is ideal pH, correct pH for floor cleaners. This floor cleaner is having a lot of plus points. Completely 100% natural derivatives, non-toxic, pet safe, skin friendly, biodegradable, eco-friendly, pH balanced, no bleaching agents, no quaternary ammonium salts, no phosphates, no sulfates, no parabens. But the thing is, all the materials what we have used are common materials. It is not a unique formula. We cannot tell it as a unique formula. So, to convert this normal formula into unique formula, we need to do one more work actually. That is, we have to choose some herbal materials, some herbal extracts. That herbals should have cleaning property, antimicrobial properties, aroma, and non-toxic in nature. And if we find one or two or three herbals, readily available herbals of with these natures, then we can include in that formula and even we can apply this formula for pattern.